Everything you know about the prime movers. What type of service is given by the prime movers, why you choose the prime movers, and how prime movers calculate the packers and movers charges for actual cost. Prime movers and packer services are different from the market in a foreign terms. First is safe and efficient packing. Prime movers implies pack your product in a safest way so that whenever your product is transported from one location to another location, your product is not be damaged. Second is stress free. Once you call the prime movers, then you just be relaxed. Your product is packed and be transported whenever you want to transport. Third is low price. Prime movers always provide low price as compared to market price. Fourth one is insurance and claims. If any product is damaged or missing, then prime movers is provide all full support to you so that you have to return your product back, and it also provides the insurance and claim support for you also. And fifth one is warehouse. If you want to be store any valuable documents or any valuable thing, so prime movers is provide all the warehouse support, and it will give 100% surety that your product is must be safe and it not be missing out at any condition. And sixth one is that partially packed. Whenever your product is be transferred from one location to another location, then prime movers first pack this product. After that, it will be transferred from one point to the another location. Prime movers is one of the professional packers and mover services that helps you to transport your stuff from one location to another location with most safely and conveniently. Prime movers provide all types of loading and unloading services, car transport, bike transport, office relocation, international relocation, domestic relocation, and other types of relocation services. How the prime movers calculate packers and mover services charges for actual cost? First one is material inspection cost. First, the prime movers see which type of product you want to be transferred from one location to another location. Second one is shifting distance. How much distance is to be traveled when the product is to be transferred? That also come to calculate the actual cost. Third one is material quantity, and at one time how much amount of the product is to be transferred, how much material is to be transferred, that also come to be count the actual cost for the prime movers. Loading floor, when how much employees are we need to be load your vehicle, and how much employees are to be need to be unload your vehicles, that also be count. Labor quantity. How many laborers are required to be pack your material, and that material is to be load into the vehicles and unload also from the vehicles. Types of packing. Which type of packing are used to pack your products or materials, that also play an important role to estimate the actual cost of prime and mover services. Insurance and claim. If any product is to be lost or damaged, then prime movers provide all the insurance and claim service for you, so you have to get 100% money of your product. Types of truck. It also role important play for estimate the actual cost of prime and mover services, because which type of truck is used to be transport the product is also estimate for actual cost. Local you Local labor union unexpected expenses. If by chance the conflict is there between the laborers, then that expenses also be included for the actual cost of this packers and mover services charges. Material transportation types. Which type of material you want to be transport? It either a normal parcel or full truck. Full truck is loaded, normal truck is part load is express. That all type transport is play an important role for which for actual cost of prime and mover services cost. Unloading locations. It is urban areas, rural areas, remote areas, and metro areas. Return load ability. In return, the truck is loaded or unloaded. Transit time. What is the time to complete the whole journey? Here we also we add the tax charges. How much the tax is taken by the government is also be added for this movers and package services cost. And the important thing is that in Indian market truck, freight not fixed government, because truck run route by freight, so online calculator fails. We provide all types of problems one window solution. Prime movers not first but always fast mover. Mobile number 9405410002. Email shipping@cargo.in. Website www.cargo.in.